What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Aftermath. Today I have my bush with me, and we're going to play Mad Libs, but adult version this time.
Oh yeah? Kinky? Are we getting freaky?
You look like you need a little trimming.
I know what's already going to happen. You're going to make me go first.
Okay, so I'm going to make you go first.
Okay, I know. You want me to do it?
No, I got it. Yeah.
I think I'm going to be the one that has to write.
I got it.
Okay. Being in a bush is exhausting.
Okay. The first story is how to host a family dinner party. Dan, I need an adverb.
An adverb. I like carefully.
Carefully, okay.
That's a good common one.
Okay, adjective.
What's an adjective again? What was the first word I did?
Carefully.
Apart.
Apart?
Mm-hmm.
Plural noun.
Humans.
Oh wait, I should be writing it right here.
Should you? Oh yeah, on it.
I'm an idiot.
Alright, it's supposed to be more rapid fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Verb ending in ing.
Running.
Part of the body.
Dong.
Noun.
England.
Plural noun.
A plural noun, so that's multiple things. Bumblebees.
Person, person, room, female.
There's no rhyme or reason. Brandy.
Part of the body, plural.
Fingers.
Plural noun.
Dogs.
Noun.
Let's see. Basketball.
Noun.
Shoes. Shoe.
Noun. Sorry if you guys hear anything chewing. It's Butters. He's chewing on his choo-choo.
A noun.
Mm-hmm.
What do I want to do? Casino. Casino.
What do I want to do?
I have to think about these.
I know, this is hard. You guys, remember, we are lifted.
No, don't make excuses.
Okay, right. Color.
Red.
Noun.
Ocean.
Verb ending in ing.
Hearing.
Adverb. We're almost there.
Hold on a second. Adverb? Oh, adverb. Wait, what's an adverb? Oh, shit. Wait, have I been making a mistake?
I don't know. I don't know. We'll see when I read it.
I was just surprised you haven't asked me any adjectives. I was thinking adverbs. Stupidly.
Verb.
What do I want to use? Swung.
Swung. And last but not least, adjective.
Apart.
You already said apart.
I did?
Yes. And you can use it again if you want.
After.
After. Let's see if you got your words right.
Is it stupid?
I don't know. I haven't read it yet. Alright, guys.
You can't sneak a peek?
How to host a dinner party. We're going to try not to laugh. Okay? Not me, him. Alright, here we go. Let's see if you got your words right. If you're hosting a family dinner party, it's carefully probably that a majority of your guests are certifiably apart, or at least have a few human sleuths.
Human what?
Human sleuths. Avoid a mealtime disaster by running these guidelines on how to be the hostess with the mostest without losing your dong. First, Oh, you're laughing.
You having a hard time reading?
No.
Was that a question?
What was that? An assumption? First, put a responsible person, like your England-in-law, in charge of pouring alcoholic bumblebees. There's nothing like having your drunk Aunt Brandy spill her fingers about her divorce to put a damper on the evening. Second, never assume a long-standing fight between family dogs is water under the basketball. If your cousin and his shoe are feuding, seat them at opposite ends of the casino. Third, if someone starts talking about a sore subject, like your cousin's stint in red collar prison, or how Grandpa's ocean of the month is hearing all his cash, it's up to you to stupidly change the topics. Fourth, act like you love having everyone around, even if they swung you up the wall after luck.
Is there anything better than the dinner party one?
There's tons.
That one's lame.
I don't think you used the right words.
Probably. Place.
A place. Peter Piper Pizza.
Verb.
Screaming.
Is that one?
I think so. It's action, right? Scream.
Another verb.
Kick.
Noun.
Chuck E. Cheese.
You got some with pizza? Chuck stirred cheese. Part of the body.
Kneecap.
Noun.
Las Vegas.
Noun.
Knife.
Verb.
Punch.
Noun.
Spider.
Noun.
California.
Plural noun.
Plural noun.
Like multiple of like things?
I got you. Let's, coyotes.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm doing good.
Noun.
You know what? I'm gonna go with basketball court.
Plural noun.
Didn't we just do that one?
Yeah.
Coins.
Coins.
Yes.
Verb ending in ing.
I'm gonna go with...
Farting.
No. I almost did though, but I want to be different.
Okay.
Driving.
Okay. Verb ending in ing.
Punching.
What? Adjective.
Is that again? I'm just kidding. Happy.
Person in the room, male.
Butters.
Another noun.
Hairspray.
One more verb.
All right. Let's see. Chop.
Chopped.
Oh, is it chopped?
Family reunion itinerary.
Family reunion itinerary. Here we go.
This is what you do when you go to your family reunion.
Okay, here's what you do, guys. Take notes.
Welcome to your annual family reunion.
Family! You said that funny.
In the scenic Peter Piper Pizza, just a stone's scream away from other place that was too expensive for some of us. Here's a partial list of family activities scheduled. 9 a.m., rise and kick, and don't forget to wear your name tag. Enjoy breakfast with your second Chuck E. Cheese twice removed. Remember him? He's the one who never looks you in the kneecap when he speaks. Also, when he does talk, it's about his expansive model Las Vegas collection.
Oh.
Donna Life Knife, hop in a canoe.
Donna Life Life?
Donna Life Knife, hop in a canoe and punch out the lake with your brother-in-law Spider, who loves to brag about his huge yearly California and his stock coyotes.
Oh, God.
Mandatory soft basketball court game. Play with soak. Oh, God.
That got me.
Oh, no.
That got me.
Oh! You stabbed me in the face. What happened?
I know.
Come on, dude.
There you go.
Alright. Where were we? Mandatory soft basketball court gameplay with so-called mature coins who get into diving matches over runs. Expect to hear lots of cursing and non-ironic name punching that is good happy. That is good happy? Good happy fashion family fun. Family fun. Good old fashioned family fun is all about. It's fun, guys. It's fun. Okay. Photo time. Stand between your uncle who smells like he bathes in butters, other uncle who smells like a dead hairspray. Either way, it's a wind chop situation.
A wind chop?
Yeah. Yeah, some of these don't make sense.
I've probably got some wrong. Alright. Listen, guys. We just want to apologize real quick.
Maybe we're not into it?
Maybe we're just not good at Mad Libs. Okay?
Yeah.
We're sorry. Maybe it was good. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. We don't know.
Yeah, it wasn't that good.
You don't think so?
No, it was pretty lame.
Really?
Very lame. Let's do something else.
Like what? So
sound game.
Sound game?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna play a couple rounds of What's That Sound.
Sorry. Okay.
Dan, you're gonna be the guest. Okay, go. Okay. Okay.
Changing gears.
No.
Come on, you got to do better than that.
Cha-ching.
Playing slots.
Cha-ching.
Cash register.
Yes.
Swordsman. Katana blade. Karate. Come on, brother.
Unslithering a sword? Wait.
No wonder I didn't get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we got to do a different category.
Just keep going. Oh, what was that?
Correct answer.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, it says it. Oh.
Am I supposed to go up or down? Sleeping.
A hungry tummy growl.
What? Am I supposed to go up or down? Up like this? Okay, down is bad.
I could have done that one too.
All right, ready? Blowing.
Blowing up a balloon.
What? That's blowing up a balloon? No, that's the wrong way.
Giggling? Shy? Shy? Constipated. Hurting in your... Pretending like you don't have to fart, but you do. Bashful.
Come on, that's random.
Shandom? Wait.
Nervous laugh.
Oh, that was easy. Blowing up a bubble gum. Blowing a bubble.
Yep.
Popping bubble.
Yep.
Jesus, you're scared of me. Shaking up a bomb. Oh, shaking up a soda and opening it. No, I'm not. Milking cow.
Yep.
Give me a kiss? Please. Kissing a butthole.
Kissing a frog.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Boo!
Booing a crowd.
Boo!
Booing.
Boo! Boo!
A ghost!
No. Boo! What the hell? That's too hard. Is there a medium?
What is it?
Booing a magician.
What the hell?
Oh my god, what?
Shocked.
Brandy.
At me?
This is a dumb one. Is there an in-between level?
No. What is it?
Why is there only hard and easy? Go in between.
Try it.
Go in between.
There isn't. It's only handy.
Globbity gook? Come on! Okay.
Eating. Biting.
Mm-hmm. But biting
A carrot.
into a...
Apple.
Yes.
Whoa! Sprinkler.
No.
Oh. Shaking up something.
Spray paint.
Spray paint.
You're Didgeridoo?
Yes.
No. Wookie. Choking?
I don't have anything.
Bullfrog?
I'm so dry.
Sniffing? Drug dogs.
No. Come on, you're close.
Blowing your nose.
Yes!
Okay. Shaving? Vacuuming?
Vibrating.
Okay.
Ah, that's
Oh,
exhausting.
I said God. Cat. Cat. Kitten. Baby crying. Rocking a baby to sleep.
Shushing a baby.
Zzz. Zzz.
Electrocution.
Yep. I love you, man.
You're passing out.
Yes. Oh my God.
Sucking up helium.
Yes. Yodeling.
Yodeling. Inhaling and holding it. Holding your breath.
Yes.
Mumbling.
Yep.
What?
I think I'm a good noisemaker.
I have a connection with you.
But why didn't we do good on my turn?
Because you don't have a connection with me.
Because you're making the same sound. You're going.
Okay, here we go.
Do good sounds.
I'm gonna try my best.
For me, please.
Yeah, this is the last one.
Okay. Which?
No.
Evil laugh. Which is laugh?
Wow.
Princess.
Giggling.
Okay. You know, I don't think you're good at the sounds. What are you doing? Ugh. Give me something good. Come on.
Chewing.
That's chewing.
What am I supposed to do?
Aren't you good at this game? Come on. Give me a good one.
It's literally chewing.
That's not... I don't know. Okay. Winner.
Of
A game.
Oh my God! Oh wait, I don't think you can. The slot machine, jackpot.
Jackpot. Why are you telling me the time didn't run out yet?
Oh, you're right. I just lose I lose it.
What do you lose?
I win.
I think I win.
Yeah.
That was horrible. I wanted a good run.
I'm sorry. You win. Well, guys.
I make good sounds.
You did. I said you win.
You look so cute.
He's adorable. I had a blast, though. Lots of laughs. It was a good time. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. And until next time. Look at him. He's so done.
Dunzos.
He's been waiting for me. I've been waiting for you, Mama. I love you. You waiting for me? You're very loyal, huh? You're a good boy. Are you a good boy? What's Daddy doing? Daddy's a bush. He said, Daddy, I want to pee on you.
What? Weird.
He didn't really say it.
Weird.